How to choose a game in Fire Kirin. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose different games. First of all, open the application. Now here, this interface will pop up. Here, if you swipe right here, you'll be able to see different games and multiplayer that are available. Now, in order to play them, simply tap on the one that you want to play. So here, I'm tapping on one. Now, you can play and select any one of these. So simply tap on the seat and here the game has started. Now it's a game where you'll be able to win different rewards and different coins. So here in this game you'll be able to gain different rewards if you play carefully. So the game has been loaded and you're ready to set and start playing. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.